Right, let's have a look, see how we can swap these colours now. Channel mixer. So in the red channel, we need the red is 100, 0, 0. So that's already, so basically that is the default settings, right, in the red channel. So if you're swapping green and blue, you basically can just leave the red. Now in the green settings, all right, so in the green channel, red is the same. Green should go from 100 to 0. Green should go to 100 to 0. What was it? What's the next one? And blue should go to 100. Is that it? Let's see. And in the blue channel, okay, set the red to, yeah, and then green goes to 100 and blue goes to 0. Interesting. Not sure I really like that. Areas are once green, so this area was green, right? Let's just remind ourselves of the actual original image. So this area was green, and now it's blue. This area is blue, and now it's green. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. I do. So what? So basically, it's just the green and blue. So you never deal with the. So in blue, we go 100 to 0. That's good. And in the green, we go 0 to 100, right? So that makes more sense now, right? I just literally just draw a little layer mask in the middle. Interesting, this color is completely solid now. How does that work though? Because when you do this, right, it doesn't actually create the layer, which is interesting. It's only when I click this button here, right? And you see it's there now.